What happens if you plank for 1 minute every day? Even if it's only for a minute, do a plank to strengthen your entire core. Planking is one of the most efficient workouts for toning your six-pack, according to most fitness professionals. Let's have a peek at how it's done. Before we jump into the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the information that we shared in this video. 1. It helps to reduce the risk of back and spinal column injury. You face the danger of hurting your back and spine when you work out. Planking, when done correctly, helps strengthen your back muscles while reducing stress on your hips and spine. As a consequence, it alleviates back pain while also encouraging proper posture when sitting and walking. 2. It highlights your abs. Planks engage all of the key core muscles, which is why they're so effective. All of your obliques and abdominal muscles are considered important core muscles. Furthermore, as you improve and strengthen your planks, you will improve and strengthen your ability to execute additional exercises. If you go to the gym frequently, you'll notice a significant gain in strength in numerous complex movements like squats and deadlifts. It's also excellent news for the females because planking increases booty size. 3. It boosts your overall metabolism. Planks are a complex exercise, which means they work many muscles at once. So, what exactly does this entail, you might wonder? In other words, you'll be burning a lot more calories in the same amount of time as other abdominal workouts like crunches or sit-ups. Furthermore, increasing your muscle mass causes you to burn more calories. This is due to the fact that the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolism becomes. 4. It enhances your overall balance. Have you ever attempted standing on one leg but found it difficult to maintain your balance for more than a few seconds? It's because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to keep you balanced, even when you're completely sober and feeling well. Plank for 1 minute every day to improve your overall balance. In the end, it will help you enhance your performance in any sport. 5. It provides psychological benefits. Plank workouts have an influence on our neurological system, which you may not be aware of. As a consequence, they're a fantastic method to lift someone's spirits. For starters, planking stretches out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Your muscles tighten and stress accumulates in your shoulders when you sit or stand for long periods of time, leading you to slump forward throughout the day. Muscles and nerves are put under a lot of stress in these conditions. Planks can help you calm your mind while also alleviating symptoms of anxiety and sadness. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. See you on next video.